How do sound waves travel? Hi, my name is Cyan. I am in the 8th grade, and today you will learn how sound waves travel and how they are affected by traveling through different mediums. Have you ever wondered how sounds travel through the air and to your ears, and why sounds are changed when they travel through water and other different substances? Well, today you'll learn. Let's get into it. First, we need to understand just what sound waves are. So what are sound waves? Sound waves are patterns of vibrations caused by energy traveling through a medium: air, water, solids, and most anything. The energy caused by whatever makes the sound makes patterns of particles of whatever medium the waves are traveling through that are close together and particles that are far apart, which cause the wave. Now, how do those sound waves travel? Since sound waves are just energy caused by vibrations, they simply move through the particles of whatever medium they are traveling through, and stop traveling when the energy is eventually absorbed by the medium that they are traveling through. You see, the waves need a medium to move through because waves are just a chain of the vibrating particles of whatever the sound is traveling through. Now you might be wondering, well, how are sound waves changed when traveling through different substances? Sound waves are changed by whatever substance that they are moving through. The closer the particles of the material that the sound is traveling through are, like if the sound is traveling through a solid, the faster the sound travels. But if the sound is traveling through a gas that has much more scattered particles, the sound will move much slower. Another thing that affects the speed of the sound wave is the temperature of the medium that it is traveling through. Since the warmer a medium is, the faster the particles move, the faster the sound wave will move. But if it's colder, the sound wave will move slower. Now, for a quick review of what we've just learned. Here are some questions. Try to answer them on your own. 1. What substances do sound waves move the fastest through? 2. Sound waves are patterns of blank. 3. True or false? Sound waves travel on forever. Remember, you can always pause the video here for more time to figure these out. Now for the answers. The answer to number 1 was sounds travel through solids the fastest. Number 2 was vibrations, and number 3 was false. Sound waves stop once the medium has absorbed most of the energy. Congratulations on finishing this lesson. That's all for now. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.